decided in the following terms. Civil Appeal number 982 is allowed to the extent of appellant's disqualification to contest elections on the ground stated in the impugned order of the Lahore High Court dated 6 July 2018, passed in writ petition number so-and-so, which to that extent is set aside. Civil Appeal 984/2018, which has impugned the order of the Lahore High Court dated 11 July 2018, passed in writ petition number 222868/2018, whereby the respondent's nomination papers were ordered to be accepted and the returning officer was directed to include his name, Fazl Mahmood, in the list of eligible candidates, is dismissed. Civil Appeal number 880/2015, which has impugned the judgment of the Election Tribunal, Multan, Punjab, dated 21st August 2015, whereby the election of the appellant, Chaudhry Mohammad Arif Hussain, as returned candidate in respect of general elections held on 11 May 2013 was declared as void, and the Election Commission of Pakistan was directed to hold fresh elections which were held and the term of the said assemblies has expired, is disposed of as having become infructuous. Civil Appeal number 1946/2023, which has impugned the order of the High Court of Sindh dated 19 October 2023, passed in Constitution Petition number 1082/2023, whereby the appellant's prayer for declaring him to be eligible to contest the upcoming elections was disposed of with the observation that the same would be decided at the appropriate stage if his nomination papers were rejected, is disposed of in view of the above declarations. And civil petition for leave to appeal number 2680/2023 is converted into an appeal and allowed to the extent of the appellant's disqualifications to contest elections on the ground stated in the impugned order of the Lahore High Court dated 4th May 2023, passed in writ petition number 27043/2023, which to that extent is set aside. Learned Sayyid Ali Imran, the Secretary of the Supreme Court Bar Association, stated that the Supreme Court Bar Association sought to withdraw Civil Miscellaneous Appeal number 22/2022 and Constitution petition filed in 2022, which was under objection and not numbered. Therefore, the said appeal and petition are dismissed as withdrawn. Civil Appeals number 981 and 985/2018, Civil Miscellaneous Appeal number 135/2022 in civil CP number nil/2022 and Constitution petition number 40/2022 are delisted, which shall be posted for hearing separately before appropriate benches. And now I'll read the order of Justice, Mr. Justice Yahya Afridi. With profound respect, I disagree for reasons to be followed. The extent of lack of qualification of a member of the Parliament as envisaged under Article 62(1)(f) of the Constitution of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan 1973 is neither lifelong nor permanent, and the same shall remain effective only during the period the declaration so made by a court of law remains in force. Therefore, the conclusion so drawn by this court in Samiullah Baloch versus Abdul Karim Noshirwani is legally valid, hence affirmed. So this we are announcing today. Date is 8 January. I am grateful to my colleagues and to yourself and to the learned amicus who at very short notice provided invaluable assistance to this court. Thank you everyone. And please upload this on the website. So correction kar lete hain, Siprim pe haath se upload ho gaya. Okay. Chale.